Coffee, the perfect harmony of flavor and richness, is what gets you going in the morning. Not just that, it also makes you feel totally energized. Coffee has been embraced by coffee connoisseurs and coffee lovers across the globe.
And I belong to the same tribe. I've been an avid coffee drinker and I can proudly say that it's my daily fuel to jumpstart the day. Having explored flavors of Indian coffee from Wayanad, Chikmagalur and Coorg, I've also savored the taste and aroma of Brazilian and Colombian coffee. But today, I'm going to be sharing an inspirational story with you guys about a transformation of a tribal village livelihood by the power of coffee. This video is dedicated to all you coffee lovers. Stay with me right till the end.
Ding ding monkey.
I'm at Kruti Coffee in Seawoods, Navi Mumbai. This welcome drink has been an amazing start. I couldn't resist, so I called for one more. It was amazing. So I've ordered for my first coffee, that's siphon coffee. There's too much going on my table right now. I feel as if I'm in a science lab. This entire process has been so exciting so far. So basically what he's done, you can see the lower chamber. There's some hot water in that and you can see this beautiful flame over here. So this basically needs to heat up for 2 to 3 minutes. Now with the help of the vacuum pressure, the water from this chamber goes to the upper chamber. And once the water is here, he's going to put the coffee. I'm going to wait for him to go ahead with the further process of making this coffee. Oh, that heavenly aroma. This is an organic coffee. This is the one. So this is from Koraput. It's organic. Koraput is a district in Odisha. So this has basically citrus blossom, cocoa and fruity flavor at the same time. This is so magical. You all can see the coffee dripping in the lower chamber again. So it's a bit of science, a bit of passion, and I cannot wait for this magic potion to come in my mug right now. I cannot wait. Wow. The taste is so vibrant of this coffee, and I feel that entire brewing method that we just seen of the entire making, I would say, of siphon coffee, brilliant. Like, you know, just one sip, it took me on a mini vacation, I would say. That's how blissful this coffee is. This place is getting so busy right now and I'm not surprised. My second round of coffee, and it's going to be turmeric latte. So here we have the Koraput organic black pepper and Kandamal haldi. And these two are going to get mixed in my turmeric latte. spices. Kruti Coffee, they do serve premium raw honey right from the forest of Koraput district in Odisha. So yeah, my turmeric latte is right here. Let's go for it. This makes up for such a healthy drink.
Which is also 1 crore.
Oh wow. It's been just 1.5 months since this outlet has started. So they are in the process of expanding their kitchen. Their kitchen will be all set approximately in a month. So I got super hungry. I couldn't be just sipping on my coffees back to back. So yeah, I've ordered for some chicken sandwich. And guys, hope you all are enjoying this video. It hardly takes a second or two to hit on the like button, subscribe to our channel, and always keep your notifications on to stay updated for what's coming more, because we are not going to stop creating content for y'all. We love food, y'all love food, and we are in this together. It's so juicy and delicious. The chicken is well marinated in some sauce they've added, I don't know. Green bell peppers are so crunchy. I can't wait for their kitchen to be all set. And by the way guys, they have 3 outlets running in Bhubaneswar. I'll be leaving the details in the video description, their Instagram profile, and whatever I can share with y'all. To end my today's fiesta, I have called for fresh fiesta. Oh wow. The whole blend of their dark roast coffee, and there's vanilla ice cream, and a little bit of, like, I think somewhere around or 20 to 25 ml of milk, and it's perfect. And I love the way he sprinkled dark roast coffee on it. You know, that's the beauty of having good coffee. No matter whatever kind of a day you're having, whether it's peaceful, chaotic, busy, slow, sip of well-made coffee, paradise. Let me share the heartwarming story of Kruti Coffee with you all. In 2011, acres of coffee plantations remained damaged in Kindiriguda, a tribal village in district of Koraput in Odisha. That is when Kruti Coffee adopted 40 acres of coffee farms to redefine the entire livelihood of this tribal village. They empowered women of Kindiriguda village, who proved to be the key factor behind this phenomena. And men contributed too. The entire village came together as one family to transform their coffee into this specialty coffee. So from damaged plantations to producing 2 tons of exceptional coffee is indeed an inspirational story to tell. So Kruti Coffee, they go by this mantra. It says, we thrive with the tribe. And why not? They are thriving. And how? So guys, if you enjoyed today's video, leave a comment below. Do let us know what you felt about it. And show some love. Share our videos with your friends and family. It will mean a lot to us. Until we meet again, keep smiling, take care of yourself, and keep binging.
Binging Monkey.